Samsung's latest unveiling has the tech world buzzing. The Galaxy Z TriFold, revealed on Tuesday, is a game-changer with its triple-folding design. But here's the real shocker, it might just confirm a rumor that's been on everyone's lips. The smartphone, when folded, measures a mere 12mm to 15mm in thickness. This is where it gets controversial. A feat like this is nearly impossible without the use of silicon-carbon C/C batteries. And guess what? That's exactly what the rumors have been whispering about. Earlier this week, Samsung teased the TriFold at the K-Tech showcase in South Korea, showcasing its sleek design behind a glass panel. Now, sources suggest that the phone's dimensions strongly hint at the presence of C/C batteries. And this is the part most people miss, these batteries are a big deal. Huawei's Mate X-T, the TriFold's closest competitor, also boasts a similar thickness, and interestingly, uses C/C batteries. Coincidence? Maybe not. Samsung's new foldable design, with its U-shaped fold, could be the perfect candidate for this cutting-edge battery technology. C/C batteries pack a punch with anodes that can hold up to 10 times more lithium ions, significantly boosting battery capacity. And it gets better, carbon nanostructures prevent fractures, making these batteries both thin and powerful. The Galaxy Z TriFold is rumored to feature 3 of these batteries, offering a combined capacity of over 5,000 mAh. But that's not all. It's also expected to include a 200-megapixel camera with 100x zoom, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, and a titanium shell. Talk about a powerhouse. While we await the official launch expected soon according to Samobile, the evidence seems to point towards C/C batteries. Will Samsung revolutionize the smartphone game with this innovation? Share your thoughts below. Are you team C/C batteries or do you have another theory?